The Video lut-pack Playbook, turning your color grade into a product filmmakers will pay for. Your signature look isn't just a style, it's a product. Here's the step-by-step launch plan for packaging and selling video color presets. Every time someone comments, "What's your color grade?" under a reel, that's a sales signal you're leaving on the table. Photo presets get all the link in bio attention, but video LUTs are the sleeper hit of the creator product world. Fewer sellers, higher perceived skill, and a buyer base, working filmmakers, wedding videographers, YouTubers, that's used to paying real money for tools that save them time in the edit bay. The catch is that a lut-pack is a slightly more technical product than a Lightroom preset. It has to survive contact with different cameras, different editing software, and different footage, or you'll get refund requests instead of 5-star reviews. This is the concrete playbook. What to build, how to prove it works before you sell it, and how to price and deliver it so buyers download it in seconds and actually use it. Step 1. Pick the look that's actually yours. Don't launch a generic, cinematic teal and orange pack. That market is saturated and buyers can get a free version on YouTube. Instead, reverse engineer the grade people already ask you about. If you shoot moody, desaturated travel edits, that specific look, the one with your name attached to it in comments, is the product. Build 5-8 variations around one core mood, a base look, plus tweaks for golden hour, overcast, indoor artificial light, and a black and white variant, rather than 20 unrelated looks. A tight, cohesive pack signals mastery. A grab bag signals you were guessing. Step 2. Know your format math before you export anything. This is where video LUTs get harder than photo presets, and where most first-time sellers lose buyers. A LUT built for log footage, S-Log3, V-Log, D-Log, flat profiles, will look broken on already graded Rec. 709 clips, and vice versa. Decide up front which input your pack is designed for. Say so loudly on the product page, and ideally ship 2 versions, one for log shooters, one for standard footage, so you're not turning away half your audience. The compatibility test. Before you sell a single copy, apply your pack to at least 3 different cameras' footage, e.g., an iPhone clip, a mirrorless log clip, and a drone clip, in the 2 editors your audience uses most. If it holds up across all 3, you're ready. If it clips highlights or crushes shadows on one, fix the LUT. Don't just add a disclaimer. Step 3. Build the before-after proof, not just a highlight reel. Photo preset shoppers can judge a look from a still. Video shoppers need to see motion, skin tones under movement, and how the grade holds up through a scene change. So your sales page needs actual before-after clips, not just a montage of your finished work. A simple split screen or slider video, raw footage on one side, graded on the other, 15 to 20 seconds, does more selling than a paragraph of copy. Post it as the main product visual and again as a teaser reel on the platform where your audience already follows you. Show the same clip in at least 2 lighting conditions, indoor and outdoor, or day and golden hour. Include 1 clip of skin tones specifically. That's what wedding and portrait videographers scrutinize hardest. Keep total demo length under 60 seconds. Attention spans for a product preview are short. Caption which camera format the demo footage was shot on, so buyers can gauge fit with their own gear. Step 4. License it like a business, not a favor. Because lut-packs get used in paid client work, weddings, brand deliverables, YouTube monetized videos. Licensing questions come up constantly. Decide your terms before launch and put them in plain language on the product page and inside the download itself. Most sellers land on 3 simple tiers: personal hobby use, commercial use, client work, monetized content, and an extended license that allows resale or use in templates courses. You don't need a lawyer to word this well, you need clarity. Because Can I use this on a client's wedding video? Is the single most common pre-sale question you'll get. Test the pack on 3+ camera sources and 2+ editors. Export. Cube as the baseline, plus native presets where possible. Record a 3-5-minute install import walkthrough video. Write plain language licensing terms, personal, commercial, extended. Create a before-after demo clip under 60 seconds. Add a short compatibility note, log versus Recon 709, resolution, frame rate assumptions. Set up your product and payment inside your store, fan store, and test the download link yourself. Step 5. Package and price like a tool, not a filter. Video creators buying LUTs are usually already spending money on gear, software, and stock footage, so price closer to a tool than a filter. A single look pack in the $12 to $19 range, a full themed collection, 5-8 looks plus install video, in the $29 to $49 range, and an extended commercial license as an add-on or higher tier is a common, defensible structure. Treat these as illustrative starting points, not rules, and adjust to your niche. Bundle in a short, how I use this on real projects video, and you've turned a file download into a mini masterclass, which justifies the higher end of that range. This is also where the platform you sell on matters. A lut-pack is just a zip file until someone can buy it in 2 taps and get the download instantly. That's the whole job of a link in bio storefront. When you create your store, you upload the zip once, connect Stripe or a PayPal email, and every sale after that delivers itself. The buyer gets a secured download link on screen, and in their inbox, no DMs, no manual file sending at 11 p.m. If you want to see the pattern in action on a real page before building your own, a live example store shows how a themed digital product collection actually presents to a buyer. I stopped emailing people zip files from my phone the week I moved my LUTs to a real storefront. The refund questions dropped too, once the licensing was right there on the page. Step 6. Launch, then keep it visible. Launch day is a teaser reel plus a discount code with a real deadline, not a permanent sale banner, which trains buyers to wait you out. After that, the pack should live as a permanent block on your storefront, not a one-time post that scrolls away. Use a broadcast email to your list when you add a new look to the collection, and keep an eye on which variation gets the most before-after engagement so your next pack targets that demand specifically. If you're unsure whether to price it as one pack or split it into a starter and a pro tier, that's exactly the kind of decision worth testing with a discount code for 48 hours and watching the data. FAQ. Video LUT packs. Key takeaways. A LUT pack sells on proof, not promises. Before-after reels of real footage matter more than a fancy thumbnail. Export in at least cube format, universal, plus native presets for Premiere, DaVinci Resolve, and Final Cut if you have time. Log footage LUTs and Recon 709 LUTs are different products. Be explicit about which your pack expects, or refunds spike. License your pack clearly. Personal use, commercial client work, or resale rights are 3 different price tiers. Bundle a 3-5-minute install walkthrough video. It cuts support questions more than any FAQ page will. Start your creator store, free, at store.fan.